Exercise 8.6 subtract. First question look 18.25 rupees from 20.75 rupees. Here is subtraction. Which is the number subtracted? The subtracted number 18. This 18.25 subtracted from 20.75. So which number we write first? Then here we write first 20 from after number means 20 decimal 7 5. 20 decimal 5, then we write 20. Then after decimal 7 5. Then we know its place values. Place value of 0 ones, then 2 is which place? 10th place, and 7 10th place, and this 100th place. Then next number 18.25. Look, these are like decimal, so we can write this numbers right mean according to the place value. Each digits we write according to the place value. Means here look 18.25. 18.25 ones place which number? Ones place number 8. This 8 we write below the ones place number. Here ones place 0. So it's below 0 you write 8. Then tens place number which number? 1. This one write below this tens place. Then this which part? Whole number part. Then next decimal. Then next we write 10th part number. Here 10th part number 2 and 100th place which number? 5. Is it clear? First we write the numbers according to their place value. Then next subtract. Look, 5 minus 5 0. Then 7 minus 2 5. Then next decimal. Clear? Then next 0 8 means 8 minus from 0. We know 8 not subtracted from 0. So we take 1 from 2. Then 10 minus 8 2. Here balance 1 minus 1 0. So what is its answer? 2 decimal 5 0. Its answer is 2 decimal 5 0. Is it clear? The next question number B. 202 decimal 5.4 meter from 250 meter. Now listen here. This is first question number B. This is 250 from after which number? 250 meter. This is 250 meter whole number. Is it clear? This is 250 meter. So then which number is subtracted? Number 202 decimal 5 4. 202 decimal 5 4. Look, this which part? Whole number part and this decimal part. Then first number look, it's only whole number part, not decimal part. Then this whole number part after, first number whole number part after we put decimal. And here look, second number is decimal after how many digits? 2 digits. Here no digits. So this place we write 0 0. How many? This how many 0 you write? 2 digits, because this decimal after 2 digits. Now these numbers become like decimal. Is it clear? Then if we write 0 0, its value is not change. Then next we write 202. Then 202 write according to the place value. Look, 100 place 2, tens place 0, and 10 ones place 2. Then after decimal. Then look, next which number? 5 and 4. Then you write 5 4. Then subtract the numbers. Here look, see 4 subtracted from 0. Then 4 is not subtracted from 0, so take 1 from next number. Here next number also 0. Then next take next one which place a ones place number. This also 0. So we take 1 from which tens place a number. Then Look here, which number is 4. Then give here. Then which here 10, we take 1 from 10th place. Then now here 9. Then 10th place we take 1 from 100th place. Then look here 100, here 10. It's clear? Then next 10 minus 4, 6. Then here balance 5 minus 9, 9 minus 5, 4. Then next decimal. Then which number here? Ones place number 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Then next 4. 4 minus 0, 4. Then 2 minus 2, which number is 0. So what is its answer? 47 decimal 4, 6. 47 decimal 4, 6 meter. Its answer is 47 decimal 4, 6 meter. The next question, look, next question number 2. 2, it's the first question. Yeah. 9 decimal 7, 5, 6 minus 6 decimal 2, 8. Here look, 9 decimal 7, 5, 6 minus 6 decimal 2, 8. So 9 decimal 7, 5, 6. Then second number, which number? 6. Decimal, this which place? 10th place. The next 8th place. 100 place, sorry, the 100 place which number? 8. Then here 1000 the place, no number, so we can write 0. Then subtract 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 8, no to 15 minus 8, which number? 15 minus 8, 7. Then here balance which number is 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Then next decimal. Then 9 minus 6, which number is? 9 minus 6, 3. So what is its answer? Is equal to 3 decimal 4, 7, 6. Then do you understand how to subtract the numbers, decimal numbers? Then one more question we can do. Look, it's the second question. Look, B, second question B, 11 decimal 6. Then 9 decimal, look, 9 which part? Whole number part. This 9 is whole number part, so it's place value ones place. Then decimal. Is it clear? Whole number part, you write this left side of the decimal number. Then decimal part, right side of the decimal point. The next 9 decimal. Next 10th place, which number? 8. 100 place 4. Then 1000th place 7. Look above this number 11 decimal 6. Here no 100 place and 1000th place. So this place we write 0, 0. Is it clear? Then now look, these are like decimals. Then we can solve. Look, 7 subtracted from 0. No, so we take 1 from next number. Here also 0, so take next 10th place number. Then look this, which number? 100. Then we take 1 from 10th place to 100. Then in 100 place we take 1. So here 9 and this 10. 10 minus 7, which number? 3. Then 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. 8 is not subtracted from 5. So we take 1 from which place? Ones place. So here 0 and this 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Then next decimal point. Then next look here 9. This is 0. So 9 is not subtracted from 0. So we take the next 1 from next number. Here only 1, so we get 10. 10 minus 9, which number? 1. So 1.753. Then next question number, look question number 3. Here Raju bought a book. Read this question from your textbook. Raju bought a book for 35.65 rupees. He gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Here Raju bought a book. Then what is its cost? Its cost is 35 rupees 65 paise. And he gave to the shopkeeper how many rupees? He gave 50 rupees. Then what is the question? How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Then first we can write the cost of question number 3. Cost of book. What is cost of book here? Cost of book 35.65. Then next money gave to shopkeeper. How much money this Raju gave to the shopkeeper? Rupees 50. 50 rupees he gave to the shopkeeper. Then how much money he returned back? Then money, next money got back from the shopkeeper. How to find out? This cost of book is 36 rupees 65 paise and he gave 50 rupees. So how to find out this? This amount means 35.65 subtracted from 50. So we can write rupees 50 minus rupees 35.65. Then is equal to look 50. Here look how many digits, decimal after how many digits? 2 digits. So we can write here for like decimal. We write decimal, put decimal here and write how many 0? 2 0. Then next 35.65. Then subtract. Look 5 means look we take 1 from 5. Then here 9, this also 9, then 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Then 9 minus 6, 3. Then next decimal. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So what is answer here? Rupees 40 decimal 35. Is it clear? Then balance all the questions you can find yourself. This exercise complete. This exercise 8.6 you should write your copy. Okay, thank you.